Hey guys, Jen here from Raven Lou and Paper 2, and I'm sharing with you my Outgoing Halloween swap. This swap was hosted by Becs Crafting World, and I will list her information down below. For this swap, it was make one, receive one, or make two, receive two. We had to make a minimum of 6 crafty items like a flower, a bow, etc. We needed to buy a sweet treat and 1 store-bought goodie worth $5. Also, we had to include 1 ATC or Memdex with our name and information. And this is how I'm sending mine out. They're just in the basket bags here. And I have a Dollar Tree like plastic bow on top. And then I've altered one of the little acrylic ornaments from Walmart. This is the purple ghosty, and I just cut out the Happy Halloween in the holographic with my Cricut, and then I re-beaded, or I got rid of the twine that was up here and just made like a little beaded dangle to hang from there, so that it is just a cute little Halloween clip that they can reuse for whatever. Okay, let me go ahead and get one out so that I can show you guys what it looks like before I wrap it up like this. Alright, here is what my loaded envelope looks like. By the way, we had to follow the loaded, or the yeah, I believe it's a loaded envelope tutorial. Yeah, and that's by Bethany, your crafty BFF, and I'll list a link to that down below as well. I also realized that I didn't grab, that goes with this one, the extra gift, and I just threw that in the bag with the actual envelope. For the gift and the sweet treat, I included some of the little nail wraps from Walmart, the Halloween nail wraps, and that was the gift. And then I also included some peeps, some Halloween peeps as the sweet treat. Since I am still here in Georgia, it's still really hot, upper 80s, and chocolate would definitely melt before it made it anywhere. Alright, so the collection I used was Fright Night by Miss Kate's Cuttables, and I went ahead and I've used my Cricut as well as I could this swap here. And for the very front pocket here, I used the print and cut feature on my Cricut, and this is also a file from Miss Kate's Cuttables, and I just layered it up 3 different times to give it lots of dimension here. Uh-oh, I have a hair stuck in there, sorry. So I just layered it up 3 times to give it lots of dimension. I have some of the spiderweb tool from Dollar Tree and made a little shaker pocket on here with a fun little colored mix. It's got like little skulls and stars and pumpkins and all kinds of fun stuff in there. And then I kind of added these as like, I don't know, like rivets or whatever, but they're the little candy corns. And the back of the bag is just, oops, I undid everything, is just plain paper back here. Alright. I guess we will start right here with the very front pocket. I included some of these stickers, and they are from Walmart last year. It's just 4 of each sheet, 32 stickers, and they're little ghosts and candy corn and cats and witches hats and boos and stuff. Then I picked up some of these hollow skelly bags from Temu, and inside of them are my bows. And I just, I don't remember where this bow die is from, but I've just stitched around each of them, and I've taken the 2 different patterns and I've reversed them on each bow. And I've also used different colored threads with each pattern as well to kind of make them stand out. Okay, then in this next pocket here, This is just a little treat bag from like Walmart, and I have closed it with the, I made a little paper clip here, and I've added some little beads as a little dangle on the top of the treat bag. And then I used the print and cut again from my Cricut, and it's Pick Your Poison, and I've layered up the poison bottle and then added some glossy accent to the poison as well. And then inside of here is these poison, or I guess apothecary jars and beakers are, they're a die from Temu, and I just went ahead and I paper pieced together all these little apothecary jars so that they can use them, the little poison vials and stuff. And I added some of this like hollow glitter paper over, or sticker paper over the liquid parts of the jars, and I went ahead and used little stickers to embellish each of the jars as well. I am also including a little card with each of them, and they each just have a different cut apart from the collection, and I just made sure to include my information inside so that my partner knows who exactly this came from. I have also made a little wand, and these this was a little drink stirrer. I think it was from Target last year, or maybe Walmart, I'm not sure. And someone had gifted me these in my Trapper Keeper Halloween swap last year, and this is just the Batwing pinwheel, and this file is available at Miss Mandee. It's through her stuff. I can actually leave a link for it down below as well. And then I just embellished it a little further, adding the little Happy Halloween flare button in the center, and just made a cute little simple pinwheel to share with my friend. I'm also including a little novelty pin. This guy is a spider. I think the other guy is a ghost. Then for my, oh, we're sticking together here, hold on. Then for my memory decks card, I just paper pieced together. This guy is also a Miss Kate cuttable file, and I just welded it onto a memory decks card base, and I added some more of the glitter stuff around his eyes and stuff to make him a little more I guess cutesy. And then I kind of did the candy wrapper paper packaging here, and I thought it would be really cute to spell out, it says "so Franken cute" since he's a Frankenstein. And we got the little candy corns here and a little puffy sticker of a Frankenstein as well. And I just put a little paper in here to kind of hold it up so it wasn't so heavy with the chains holding everything together up there. That's just the back. Here I am also gifting a, these are some of the Dollar Tree black flowers, and I just made a little, I just redid the bag that they come in, and I used some of the designer paper, and then I made this bat topper, and again with the print and cut from my my Cricut. It says it's frickin' bats, which I thought was absolutely cute. I'm also including one of these swirl lollies. I thought it was really adorable. And up here is a cute little paperclip embellishment. I have no idea where I got it from. I just found it in my stash. I don't even know how long I've had it for. I also made some of these really thick crepe paper rosettes, and I once again did the print and cut, and I double layered them to give them some more dimension, and I added some of those little foil cut, I don't even remember what they're called exactly, from the Dollar Tree, and I used them to embellish around the edges of the rosettes. Also in the bag, I have some of the Jolie's boutique stickers. These are the they're little banners. They say things like boo, creepy, trick, and R.I.P. I think that's all that's in the inside. Let me double check. Yeah, that's all that's in the inside. And then clipped back here to the back, I've used one of these little, hold on, I'm sorry. I've used one of the little garment pins in orange to hold this all together. I have a little sequin mix in one of these bubble wands with a skeleton on top, and I've added lots of little charms, the little beads, the clay beads, and then a little alpha heart bead. And then I have added, this was a lollipop Christmas ornament from Hobby Lobby last year, and these were at Target last year. They called them like eggs for Halloween. I don't know. They were little jack-o'-lanterns. Inside of this, I actually have some flowers that I've made, and I went ahead and added a little dangle to it as well. Hold on, let me see if I have. Yeah. Okay, I didn't tape this one together. I taped it together so it wouldn't fall out during shipping, but they're just I have like this dark purple with the coppery orange leaves, and then the black with this like gem center, also with the copper leaves, and then they just alternate back and forth. And then last but not least, attached to the back here, I've made like this little policy envelope, and but with a vellum front here, and I have this like holographic paper that's cut out this little ghost, and I used the little banner die, and I've spelled out boo on it, so the little ghosty is holding a little boo. And inside of here, I used a little black Velcro dot to hold it all together. I've made these little embellishments. They're little coffins, and I've layered them up with some of the different Miss Kate's cuttables, some of these printables that match the collection, and I've added little dangles to each of them. And then they all say something fun and Halloween related that I've used the hollow sticker paper over to accent them. We have Spooky, Beware, Halloween Treats, and October 31st. And that is a look at everything I am sending for this Halloween swap. I hope that my partners like the things that I've made. I went really kind of cutesy this year, so hopefully everyone likes that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to take a closer look at this stuff, I of course always post it on Instagram and TikTok as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy Halloween.